Good morning, boys and girls. Today we have a surprise.
We are going to talk about the alkalinization of water. And for this, we have invited the witch Sabrina. Hello, Sabrina.
Hello, Celeste. Hello, how is everyone doing? Welcome to this wonderful spring day.
Yes.
Hey, why did you bring us those bottles of water? What's the connection with alkalinization? And, well, what is alkalinization?
Well, I have brought some things to do experiments. Who likes experiments?
I love experiments.
Yes, we are going to do experiments together. Do you want to?
Of course. Smiles, we're going to do experiments. You hadn't told me.
It's today's surprise you'll see with the witch Sabrina.
Well, let's start doing the experiment to measure the alkalinity of the drinks we consume daily.
So, what we drink to see if it's alkaline or not? But let's see what alkaline is.
Alkaline is a level of pH, as we will see here. pH is the potential of hydrogen it has. It's part of everything. We are water in the body. Most of our body is made up of water. Did anyone know this?
I think we are about 80% water. Notice how much water is inside our body.
Wow, that's amazing. So let's see. The water might be inside our body, the water outside, maybe more alkaline or less alkaline. And well, so we understand each other. Is alkaline good or bad?
Well, neither good nor bad. It is to give us an idea of the balance in our body. The pH is the first test they do when we are born as babies. The first thing they do is take a tiny drop of blood from our finger to check the pH in the blood. And from there, they know if we have good health or if we come with some small illness or anything. And there, the health condition can be determined. So, the pH of the body is very important.
Okay, so then I imagine that depending on the water, the foods you consume, if you have a cool pH, you have health. And if you have an uncool pH, well, the health.
Of course, Celeste. I see you're understanding it wonderfully. How intelligent you are.
Thank you very much.
5.
Yes, let's go.
Let's start with experiment number 1, which is measuring the pH of the drinks we consume. Okay?
Well.
Because we have said that we drink, that we are water, and to be in a state of health, we need to drink plenty of water.
A lot of water. Water is life. You have to stay hydrated. That's super important. Here, in the world of smiles, we drink a ton of water.
Well then, let's start with the water. Here we have water with different pH levels. We're going to add a few drops. Wow, look at the color.
Oh, I like it. This one is lilac. This one also turns a similar lilac.
It's tap.
This is tap water you're using, and it turns green.
This is one pot that many people say is very good. And here we are going to put another one still.
But wait. Let's see. Those little drops you're putting in the water, what do they do? Does that water react to form a color? And based on the color, do we know the pH of the water?
Yes, exactly. This measures the pH.
Okay, so let's see if I understand. These, for example, have turned purple. What does that mean?
This is more alkaline. Here is the alkalinity. Look, I brought this to help you understand better. This violet is alkaline and here it becomes acidic.
Okay, So this is good because it's alkaline. Ah,
Well, it's simply alkaline, good of course, because it maintains a good state of health.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Good health. And what happens if we drink sugary drinks, sparkling water, or other beverages with minerals that many athletes also drink, or tap water, bottled water? What happens? What happens? Tell us, Sarina, what happens with so much plastic? What?
Wow, yes. In chapter 4 of the Worlds of Smiles Planet team, we talk precisely about that the sea is full of plastics. But luckily, Planet team takes care of saving the waters and we collect them. We remove all the plastic and also raise awareness that recycling is necessary. Remember, reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover. 4, not 3. Let's go for the 4 R's. Okay, but I have a question because I see a lot of colors, and so are we going to drink each water? Let's see exactly how it is. For example, this, which is the water from our house and is a bit bluish, would it be okay?
It would be right in the middle. Neither al nor alka. Well, just more alkaline than acidic.
Great! Worlds of Smiles, rise up! We have good well water. I'm really happy with the result, honestly. This is all live, you know. We have no idea. So, Sabrina, little witch, good. We drink well. We drink well, we drink well, baby. Well, well. Good. Well, it's about a mermaid. And now, for example, look, I say that the water from the Los Mundos de Sonrisas house is blue. Well, like the Mundos de Sonrisas, we are very blue. It's next to these waters that Sabrina has brought us, which are treated with a very special little machine that makes the water more alkaline. So, hey, we are not doing badly, huh? Even without having the machine, our water is quite healthy. And then, for example, this was bottled water, which is green. And green, how would it be, Sabrina?
The green, well, it would already be leaning towards acidic. It's where the limit starts to be reached. The limit, that's where the acidic begins.
so we believe, look, our well water at home is much better than bottled water.
Yes, and we go there. We don't need plastics.
Great.
We do not need plastics.
And this was the one that has isotonic properties and stuff.
That
For athletes, it is yellow, and yellow is quite, wow, acidic.
very acidic.
Wow. Yeah, this was a drink.
Sparkling water.
Sparkling water?
It's next to the green. Oh. Here.
Okay, Kaji Sochi, sparkling water is less acidic compared to this yellow one, which was the sports isotonic drink. And the last one, this one is also yellow, which were those drinks we bought in cans, right?
Yes, this is the sister of that drink that is black. You know, that's the little sister.
But why do you represent it with water? We don't understand.
It's not water, it's that lighter drink. I chose this one instead of the dark one. But it's a drink that has a lot of sugar. So it's very acidic, one of the most acidic you can drink. And do you know what happens when we drink a lot of acid?
What's up?
Well, the body becomes very acidic, and when it becomes very acidic, it is easier for diseases or bugs or free radicals to get in.
Wow! Then I think there's a conclusion.
Yes, we really have to see how our water is, what type of water we are drinking, and well, fundamentally, let's drink water and not a bunch of sugary drinks that are not good for us. Yes, because they make our bodies acidic and the state of health is better when it goes upwards towards more balance, towards more
Acidic it would not be. The word is
Alkaline!
alkaline.
Let's keep an alkaline body for better health.
Long live health and long live joy. And I think that's all on alkalinity. Yes. But in the next episode with the little witch Sabrina, she will explain other things about water.
Meanwhile, I remind you, the worlds of smiles we are. Every Saturday of summer 2025 at Las Dalias, and if that moment has already passed because everything is timeless, check Instagram Los Mundos de Sonrisas for anything, any doubt, question, idea, or wanting to participate. Info losmundosdesonrisas.com. And that's all for today. Lots of love for everyone.
Thank you.
Goodbye. Long live the alkaline.
How cool. How cool.
Hey, our water,